I'm Craig Phillippe, co-founder of principiaRAID Digital Security, and this is our Cybersecurity Minute Series. Today, let's take a deeper look at multi-factor authentication, or MFA. As we've talked about, it's an incredibly important part of securing your online systems and accounts because it's a simple way to prevent a bad guy from remotely taking over your online identity. And it's not just for network admins or IT folk anymore. If you've got a phone, you've already got access to some pretty good additional factors right now. So what is MFA? It's simply the use of additional tangible security methods to make sure you're you when you log in to one of your accounts. Think about what this means if your favorite online store is compromised. The bad guys now have your account and login password from the site, and even though it's a terrible security practice, chances are pretty good that you've reused the same password on other sites. But by requiring an additional factor to log in, even if your password has been exposed, the bad guys can't get into your accounts and systems without also having the physical access to that other factor. For multi-factor to work, you want to use at least two factors, so let's talk about the three types of factors. The first kind is something you know. This is the old stand by the password. Everyone already uses passwords to secure their accounts, so you're halfway there. Just be sure that you don't reuse or use easy-to-guess passwords. And if you've got an ever-growing list of accounts to manage, it might be time to look into using a secure password manager. The second kind of factor is something you have. This could be a one-time passcode, or OTP, sent to your phone each time you log in, or even a small hardware token, which you can pick up online and it plugs right into your computer's USB port. When you're using this type of factor, you enter your password, remember that's something you know, and then enter your OTP or activate your token as something you have. The third option for a factor is something you are. And here we're talking about biometrics like fingerprints or Face ID. This is already routinely used to access smartphones and devices and can be easily leveraged as an additional factor. Online banks and retailers are already making it simple to enable OTPs, and you should always take advantage of this simple and easy to use security measure if offered. Remember, you want to use at least two kinds of these factors to authenticate or sign into your accounts. Passwords get compromised all the time, but you can keep your accounts safe by using multi-factor authentication. For more info, check out our blog at principiaRAID.com, follow us on LinkedIn or Twitter, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. With almost 50 years of combined cybersecurity expertise and experience, principiaRAID can help.